Hey guys, this is John Stauffer. I'm here to bring you a little tech tip from Streamingteacher.com. Today I want to show you a couple things you can change in your Toolpath Manager to make it easier to read. First thing, I want to change this font. This is a little small for me. I can't really see it all that well, so let's make an adjustment. At the top of our Toolpath Manager, we'll find this little caret for options. Inside of options, let's click font, and here we can change the font, font style, size, and color of our font. We can also add effects like strikeout and underline. You can add both if you really don't want to see what the words are. You can also change your script to other languages. You could set Turkish, Cyrillic, anything you need right here. For this, I'm going to leave to home a regular, but I want to switch this up to an 11 size font. And that looks quite a bit better. Much easier to read. We can also change the background color of this panel. Go back to the options caret and click background color. You can choose any of these basic colors, or you can define a custom color with this panel here. Say you want to set it to green, select green, say OK, and now you have a green background. I'm going to change that back to white because I find that to be a little distracting, but maybe you like it. There's a third option as well for line color. The line color option is to color these lines that connect all of your operations to your toolpath groups and machine groups. It's the same color control as background color, works the same way. Finally, let's talk about these buttons. These buttons are a little small for me, and I find that I end up clicking something I don't want to click a little too easily. There's an easy change for this. We'll go up to our ribbon, right-click anywhere in the open space, and select Customize the Ribbon. Move down to the Options tab, and click this checkbox for large icons. Click OK. That changed the size of our buttons in the Toolpath Manager. It does not change the size of these icons in this ribbon. If your buttons look more like this in your Toolpath Manager, then you should probably read this Knowledgebase article from Mastercam.com that explains how to make changes to your computer settings to make these buttons bigger. Thanks for checking out our tech tip. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and go on over to Streamingteacher.com for more great content like this.